Hello everyone and welcome back to Sarah's Abstract Expressions. My name is Sarah. Today I'm doing a neon swipe since I've been going on a bit of a swipe binge lately. Not really feeling the greatest, so like I've said in my last video, I use painting for therapy, so I'm going to show you how that works for me today. So let's get started. So like I was saying in my intro, I am feeling a little bit blah today despite the weather. I don't know what came over me. I'm just not feeling myself. So I'm going to do a neon swipe. I love neon colors. Don't know why, I just do. So I'm just gonna do this, see what happens. I do like swiping with black. I find the colors pop up more underneath. I've added 2 drops of silicone to each one of my colors. These will be listed in the description, as well as my, the silicone oil I like to use. Also, to do something a little bit different, I am going to use some gold, because gold is nice. Why not? I am not a teacher by any means. I just like painting for fun, especially when I'm feeling blue like this. It's not even like it's raining or that it's gross out or anything like that. It's just I'm not feeling it today. I've been trying to develop new habits, and the best way to put it is just its resistance hitting in the best way that it knows how. So I'm just randomly throwing paint down. I'm gonna tilt this now to see what I can get. If I lose some paint, oh well, it's no big deal. Do want coverage though. So I added white on my canvas, like titanium white down on my canvas at first, just so I could make these slide a little bit easier, you know? I need more paper towels than what I've pulled for myself, but it's all good. Figure it out as time rolls on. So like I said, I'm gonna swipe with black. Oh wow, you can see the silicone starting to react and stuff already. Okay. Please black, there we go. I just I painted my hair. Go me. Okay, so I do like using paper towel because I find it creates a nice little absorbent layer. Go on this end again. I know I did that last time, but whatever. And so I don't have any silicone in my black. I just add it to the colors so that it pops up more. I'll probably end up tilting this after I swipe. I don't know. Let's see what happens. Come on, saturate. This one corner is just giving me problems. Give me a second. There we go. See? And now we drag. So the whole reason I wanted to do another swipe is because swipes are the whole reason I even started pour painting. I saw a swipe and was just like, this is amazing. I need to learn how to do this. And I was so excited to learn how. Okay, my gloves are still messy, but that's fine. I don't know if I want to tilt this yet, so. I know what I'm gonna do because I don't do this often. I'm gonna stick a little bit more black down here. I'm gonna tilt this way though, a little bit. Okay. Now that I've done that, I'm gonna add a little bit more black down on here and do a double swipe. Because why not? Need another paper towel. Whatever, that should be okay. I'm excited to see how this turns out now. I like how the white popped up. Neat. I can see all the silicone in this corner, it's just nothing wants to happen. Sure. Well, lightly. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Gonna have to kind of go like this and re-drag that part anyways. Oh, I just destroyed a bunch of cells. Meh. I'm gonna tilt this way though, because this edge is looking a little sad now. Trying to, I didn't want to put it on the paper towel, jeez. Okay. I'm actually just gonna leave this alone because I'm afraid to do any more. I do love it though. It looks so nice, especially this weird little top part I did. So I'm gonna let this do its thing for a little bit and I will be back with a wet flyby. So this is what it looks like while it's wet. I do hope the colors stay as vibrant as they do right now because, well, look at how neat this is. I'm very happy I did the double swipe and I got that one edge because it would have looked pretty otherwise. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. It's neat to see the little black stuff popping up too. I will be back with a dry one. So this is the dried results of my neon swipe. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love all the neon colors. I love how the yellow and the... Did I even use yellow? I don't remember. It was yesterday. It might have been the gold. I guess it's... Yeah, it's yellow and the blue that mix together and it makes it look real neat. And yeah, I'm absolutely in love with this one. Make sure you check out my other swipe. It will be linked here in the end screen. Make sure you like this video if you like this painting. Share with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll catch you on that next video.